a topic which we don't talk very often, maybe we are conscious or something, is labiaplasty. Now, a lot of girls, women, the labia, that means we have labia majora and labia minora. But labia minora in many girls, for no reason, can be very big and saggy. So what happens? Is it really necessary for us to even bother? A lot of my patients say, oh, it's just crazy. Why do women even want to bother about labia? Now, these girls normally have lot of practical difficulties. So they are so long that whatever kind of dress, suppose they are wearing a pant or a tight jeans, the labia turns, there's a friction causing a lot of pain and sometimes even wound in that area. I always like to say an example, like when I was doing my post-graduation, I had a girl in our casualty who tried to cut off her labia herself. What? Because she didn't know really what can be done and where to go. Now, this labia, we can be reduced to the size which is normally seen, say about 1 centimeter, through a surgery called labiaplasty. This labiaplasty is a very simple, straightforward surgery done under local anesthesia. Say it would take 30 to 45 minutes. You go back home at the same time, and the recovery, I would say there is a little bit of swelling and discomfort for about 2 weeks. Now, labiaplasty, depending on the condition, is basically two different types. Either it could be a wedge labiaplasty or a trim labiaplasty. So what kind of surgery is done depending on what is each patient, how big the labia is and what is the result expected. Now, along with this, I would like to add something called, when we're dealing with the labia, the clitoral hood also needs to be dealt in many patients, which lot of girls don't realize. So if we don't do that, sometimes even the clitoral hood is so huge or long that it doesn't give a good result. So along with this surgery, at the same sitting, we can also do something called clitoral hood reduction. So if you have any more doubts about all this, because normally girls ask, ma'am, is it going to affect childbirth? Is it going to affect my sexual activity? So a simple answer to all this is no, it doesn't affect any of those. But if you have any further doubts, kindly drop in a comment and we'll get back to you.